make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're going to go ahead and start this off by adding 8 ounces of lard and 8 ounces of soybean oil, using the double boiler method or microwave to melt the oil. Next, we're going to want to add half a cup of turmeric powder, and then 2 teaspoons of vitamin E oil, and then just give it a nice stir, making sure you guys break up as many big clumps as possible. Now when you guys get to this amount of dryness, add just a little bit of melted coconut oil. And then from there, same thing guys, make sure you guys break up as many big clumps as possible. We don't want none of that getting into our soap. We're going to want to add 2 teaspoons of essential oil blend. After you melt the oil, we're going to go ahead and add the turmeric paste to it. Make sure you guys get every last little bit, even some smaller chunks, out of the cup. After you guys give this a good stir, you're going to want to go ahead and get your lye water ready to go. So I have a calculator that I used. It says for 16 ounces of oil, we're going to want to use 4 to 6 ounces of water to 2.19 ounces of lye. Word of the wise guys, make sure you guys do the lye first and then the water, and then of course do it outside. Give it a nice little stir outside and then kind of leave it out there, and then get a heat gun, temp it down. Where you want the lye water to be is roughly around about 110, 115, somewhere around in there before you guys add it to the oil. Now grab your stick blender and blend it. I'm going to say roughly around 10, maybe 12 minutes. You don't want like a watery consistency when you guys add it to the mold. It's messy and it takes much longer, super longer to cure and of course harden. And we're not trying to make this a 3-month waiting process, so make sure you guys mix it really well with this. Turmeric powder is known to have antibacterial properties, which is very beneficial to prevent acne. Turmeric powder is also known to have anti-aging properties.
Don't tell me that you're sorry.
After you guys mix it really well, grab the soap mold of choosing. And of course, be gentle, be careful when you guys put it in the mold. You don't want to overfill it, and you don't want it everywhere. And there it is guys, here is the end product. I left it in there for about 2 to 3 days. It came out beautifully. So do me a favor guys, hit that like button, jump down in those comments, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel.